every cell begins to glow. I open my heart to faith, and the flows within me. Let the light in, feel the power of God within your soul. Believe and you will rise again. Love renews, faith restores. Golden light moves through my veins, touching every part of me with grace. His mercy fills my being. I am whole, I am alive. Let the light in, feel in every breath. Through faith, through love, through God, we are from the silence, light is born. Every cell begins to glow. I open my heart to faith, and the flows within me. Let the light in, feel the power of God within your soul. Believe and you will rise again. Love renews, faith restores. Golden light moves through my veins, touching every part of me with grace. His mercy fills my being. I am whole, I am Let the light in, feel it every breath. Through faith, through love, through God, we are reborn. Let the light in, feel the power of God within your soul. Believe, and you will rise again. Love renews, faith restores. Golden light moves through my veins, touching every part of me with grace. still be here. The light around you whispers clear. It sees your soul and knows your name, and every breath returns your flame. In quiet space your heart remembers. Healing starts where silence trembles. Ang para healing. With every tone your cells awake, the song of life begins to shake. The warmth of sun through skin and bone reminds you you are not alone. Oh, the pain begins to fade. Tired parts are gently remade. You are not illness, not the scar. You are the light of who you are. In rivers of your blood there's a light. Your cells remember pure delight. Within your code, divine design, the spark of you forever shines. The song of stars flows deep inside. Your body hums with sacred time. Listen close, your soul recalls perfection living in your wall. Why transform? From your heart, the light expands. It fills your breath, it warms your hands. You feel reborn with every beat, your rhythm soft, your pulse complete. Each cell now dances, young and free. The way you dream that life could be. You glow with love, with peace, with grace. The universe within your face. Stay in this calm, this gentle flow. Let every breath restore your glow. The light you hold will never part. It lives within your golden